Hello, this is a short video on how to use the Parity Network's desktop platform. To access the platform, navigate to our website, parity.uk. Once on the website, click Sign in the top right hand corner, which will put you through to the Parity platform. Then press Sign in again. Use the login details that we provided by email on the completion of your application. Which will put you through to your user area. If it's the first time that you access the platform, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you're on the user area, you can see there's 5 menu options and 3 easily navigatable buttons. The home area tells you the current balance in PRX and your available credit line in PRX. The banking platform provides you information about your transactions. The users show you the different users in the local area that can accept Parity as payment. The personal provides the information and your logo that you provided and also gives you the option to change passwords. The terms and conditions are there for your reference. If you have received a transaction or there's been any activity on your account while you've been away, this notification bell will have a number next to it. To make a payment, you can either pay user or search user. If you pay user, you have to know the name of the company which you're about to pay. If you search users, you can find the company that you want to pay. In this case, the LED lights company wants to buy £400 of office equipment from the furniture company. They type in 400 PRX, which 1 PRX is always equal to pounds, and maybe they want a description for their accounts. They press submit, which allows you to review the payments and the amount and also the description. Then press confirm. If you intend to do work with them in the future, you have the option to add them to a contacts list. Otherwise, if you click home, you can see that they've used 400 PRX of the credit line. We're giving them another 2,100 PRX to spend. The information is available here in the banking area, which allows you to click and review the transaction. There is also more search functionality and the ability to save the account history as a CSV file. That is everything that you'll need to use the Parity platform. If you've got any more questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.